When you learn an Irish jig or a reel or a fiddle tune that is played using very fast eighth notes or 16th notes, it's important not only to learn the notes but also to learn the correct hammer to use for each note so that the tune flows in a natural right-left hammer pattern. I like to think of the notes of a fast tune as eighth notes in a very fast 3/4 or 4/4 or 6/8 time signature. In learning the hammer patterns, it doesn't really matter what the time signature is because I always use an alternating right-left hammer stroke pattern for the eighth notes. And I always begin with a right hammer stroke on the first downbeat of each measure. So if the tune is a 3/4 time tune, I play 1 and 2 and 3 and, or right left, right left, right left. If the tune is a 4/4 time tune, I play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or right left, right left, right left, right left. This technique I'm going to show you to learn these hammer patterns also works on other time signatures such as the 6/8 time signature, which is common in Irish jigs such as the swallowtail jig or Morrison's jig and many others. I'm going to show you how to play a popular Irish jig called Road to Lisdoonvarna, and in showing you this tune I'm going to demonstrate my technique for learning right-left hammer patterns. Alright, let's get started. The technique I use is to take my hammers and hold them above the hammer dulcimer, and for this tune it's in 6/8 time, and so I know that I have 6 beats in each measure. And I alternate hammer strokes in the air by playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now I'm going to slow it down for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, left, right, left, right, left. So I continue that pattern and I never stop it when I begin to play the tune. Now, Road to Lisdoonvarna, the melody sounds like this. And we're in E minor. This is our G, and we move down to the E minor. Or you can say this is the D box, and one note up is the E, and that's the E minor. So this is where we are, in this E minor key. The melody is that's the A part. So I'm going to determine which hammer to use for each of those melody notes by playing every eighth note in the air, right, left, right, left, right, left, and then when the appropriate time comes for the melody note, I'm going to strike the strings. Now it begins with a downbeat in the beginning of the measure, which is a right hammer, so it begins here. But the next eighth note is silent, and so I play it in the air, and it looks like this. That's the A part. I'll do it very slowly one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we do the same thing on the B part. And the B part sounds like this. So we're going to use the exact same technique, and we're playing right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that is Road to Lisdoon Varner with the correct hammers playing each of the melody notes. You're going to find if you use this technique that it's very difficult to learn an entire tune at one time, the correct hammer patterns. It's better to learn just a phrase at a time and as few notes as you need to use to be comfortable. So if we use this hammer pattern for Road to Lisdoon Varner, and we want to learn and memorize the hammer patterns and have our muscle memory take over, let's take the first phrase and let's just say the first 3 notes of the melody are going to be our first phrase to learn. Those 3. We begin by learning that the hammer pattern is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, right, left. So let's learn that. That's our phrase, and we pretty much have memorized it. It's right, right, left. Let's add another couple of notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it's left, right. So it's right, right, left, left, right. Play that over and over, and you may need to play it sometimes for 5 minutes without stopping until your muscle memory takes over. Now let's add 2 more notes. Right, left. The next 2 notes are going to be right, left. So and you continue through that process, adding a few notes each time and playing the phrase that you've learned, going back to the beginning and going as far as you can, using the correct hammer patterns until you learn the entire tune. And that's the way I learned to play Irish jigs. I hope this helps you. And just to demonstrate how well this works, I'll take a tune like Morrison's Jig, and I went through the exact same technique where I learned these notes. I used the right, left, right, left, right, left. Played that over and over and over until my muscle memory took over, and then I did not have to think about which hammer to use because the muscle memory took over, and I just play the right hammer. So it goes. I can even play it faster than that. And on, but when you play it at a normal speed. So I hope this technique helps you as you learn hammer patterns while at the same time learning the correct notes in a tune.